Imagine yourself in this 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are traction control, stability control, 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, aluminum wheels, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, daytime running lights and automatic headlights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.